Do you want to grow your business? Do you want to have better leads? Do you want to contact people, stay in touch with them? How does your list look like? Does it make you money? Do you know everybody on your list? Is it high quality? What are the do's and the don'ts, and what is the best list system that you should be using? If you want to find out, listen to this video. So today we're going to talk about CRM systems. Now, what is a CRM system? It's a customer relationship management tool. In the olden days, people used to document everything down with a pen and paper. It was such mundane tasks and things got lost. Then they moved over into an Excel spreadsheet. It was good, but you couldn't automate it. And then people designed all the CRM systems. This is all different kinds of CRM systems that will help businesses to keep track of their leads and their contacts. Now, what are the main big problems that I see in CRM systems that businesses are facing today? The number one thing is that companies think if they spend more money, they're going to get rid of their problems. In fact, you're creating sometimes more problems by just using that. You see, when you are buying these big, concentrated systems that can do everything, it becomes very clunky. You have to enter in a lot of data. And the problem is, it's hard to train all your staff to use it efficiently and effective. My best advice for you, if you want to consider buying a CRM system, is get a CRM system that works for you. So what should you do? Go into a room and write down everything on a whiteboard. What do you want in a CRM system? How do you contact your customers or your leads? What do you need to do from there as a system to follow up, to schedule tasks, anything in your lead-based generating more sales? Then go and have a look at a CRM system and find something that can actually work for you and not you working for the CRM system. The second big mistake I see that people make with CRM systems is how your staff uses the CRM system. A lot of people do not enter enough information in their comment sections to be able to use it when you follow up a client so that you've got all that information. Another mistake is that everybody in the business uses the CRM system the way they want to. One person enters in data a certain way and the other person does it the other way. Now, when you look at your database, it's a mixture and there's no consistency. Make sure that one person takes ownership of that database and run the rules so that everybody enters into the CRM system the data exactly the same. The third big mistake that I see people make is that they don't use the CRM system. Sometimes when I ask people, why don't you use it? They say it's clunky, it's not customized for us, it's frustrating, it takes a long time to upload or to bring things to the screen, it doesn't integrate. Here's the thing. In a business, the CRM system is the heartbeat of that business. Your staff needs to live and breathe through that CRM system. That's where the money is coming from. It needs to be updated regularly, frequently. If you have a mobile app, people who's on the road need to enter in the information if they are on the road. What I've seen other companies do is they use apps like Signal or WhatsApp or Telegram, where the people who's on the road, when they visit the client, as they're driving to the next client, they would leave a voice message for the internal sales team to enter in all that information for them. So this is a great option for you as well to keep track and keep your CRM system up to date. In our business, one of the key things is that our staff do when they arrive is to open up the CRM system and then to go through all the tasks and run through what needs to be done and who needs to be followed up. This is paramount in a business to be able to ensure that no customers fall through the cracks. So what should you do with the CRM system? Keep it simple and clean. Update it. Don't be afraid to see, I've contacted this client so many times, I've emailed them to a point that this is not working. You've really worked that client. When you get to a point of that, make a decision and then put them in a lost basket and take them out of your CRM system. You might put them into a follow-up in a year's time folder, but they should be out of the day-to-day follow-ups. And that can help you greatly to not to feel overwhelmed every time when you open it up, so that you stay focused and keep it up to date. Email addresses change. People who work in that position might move on. So you can see this through LinkedIn, whatever system you want to use to be able to keep it up to date, keep it clean, and to be able to work it and contact people frequently, but not too much that they get frustrated with you. Another great thing, you need to have a look in your CRM system. Can it track emails? This is a critical function so that you can actually see if you email somebody, have they opened up your email. In our CRM system, we can see if somebody opened up our email or not. This is not a send receipt. This is actually an artificial intelligence tool that can say the person has actually opened up. You can get some advanced tracking tools that can actually show where people have clicked on certain links inside of your email, which is phenomenal. Now, what you do with a tracking tool is, let's say you put together a quote for John and you send it off, and after 24 hours or 48 hours, you see John has not opened up your email. What you can do is send it again and say, hello, John. In case you missed my previous email, I'm just floating it back to the top of your inbox. Now, this will greatly help you to keep track of John's activity. If he doesn't open it again, send it again and again. You might say, but Trevor, isn't this person going to get annoyed with you? No, he hasn't opened up the other 5. So keep sending it. Just remember not to show that you've constantly sent that same snippet. Go back to the original email. Another great thing is, if the people have opened up or clicked on your email, you can actually see and contact them and start the conversation because they've just opened it up an hour or half an hour ago. Now, to have that intelligence through our CRM system can help you to close deals frequently with prospects. So people ask me as well, Trevor, which CRM system is the best? Now, I'm not going to argue on which one is the best. I want to say which one is working for you. If you pay a lot of money, it doesn't mean it's going to be the best system. It also doesn't mean it's going to resolve a lot of your issues. What you want to look at is the system where you can add the least amount of information to give you the maximum amount of return. I see so many powerful systems you enter in all the client's information, their LinkedIn addresses, everything, their home address, their telephone number, their business addresses, their website addresses. Really, do you really need that every single time? I would say, look at what is the most important information you want to enter into your CRM system and only enter that in so that you can stay in contact with that client. So which CRM system is the best? And people ask me, Trevor, which one do you use? Now, I don't want to get into a war or an argument of which system is the best. It's not the most expensive system that's going to give you the best outcomes. It's the one that's going to work for you. So the system that we use over the last 15 years, we've swapped in between 4 different CRM systems. Why? Our business changed and our needs changed. So we decided we wanted to stay with a cutting edge system. Now, majority of people cannot use the CRM system that we use because majority of people are normally on a Windows-based system. We use a system called NetHunt. Is it the best of the best? No. The reason why we use NetHunt is because it works for us. We have Google for Works platform where NetHunt seamlessly integrate with all our emails and everything that we need to be able to stay in touch with our clients and to contact them and to track what we need. It's not supposed to be the best system. It's the people who uses the system the best that's going to get the best result. I want to wish you all the best. My name is Trevor Ambrose. If you want more free information, head to our website or wherever you get this podcast or this video from. Subscribe to our channels. And I wish you all the best with your CRM systems. Keep them up to date, keep them clean, and make more sales.